We'll be testing the DM3250 microwave for power output. First we have 1 liter of water here at about 23 degrees C. So we're going to run this unit for 2 minutes at 100% power. So you open the door, put the container in to the cavity, into the center, close the door, hit the start button. The unit will run for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, open up the door, put the probe in and stir the water. The temperature should go up like 1 or 2 degrees. So right now the temperature is at about 43 degrees C. So when we started, the temperature was at 23. It's at 43, so we have a 20-degree difference. You take the 20-degree difference and multiply it by 35, and that ends up being 700 watts. So this unit is putting out 700 watts.